Now that we've crafted our template and ensured everything is in place, it's time to take the final step, submitting it for review. In this step, I'll guide you through the process of listing your template in the LightFunnels template store, making sure it's ready for other users to purchase and use. Let's dive into the submission process and get your template live. I've already split the funnel we created into two distinct versions: a digital funnel and a dropshipping funnel. In this video, we're focusing on the digital one, and I'm going to guide you through the listing and submission process of it. Let's go straight into our partners area and kick things off with the description. It needs to be concise, clear, and perfectly capture what your template is all about, all within 25 words. When selecting categories for your template, ensure they are highly relevant to your content. Avoid choosing too many unrelated categories, as this could lead to your template being rejected. Features are equally important, as they'll be showcased on the template page of the website, so make sure they're representable. Your template should highlight at least 3 key features, each accompanied by a compelling image. Keep these feature descriptions concise, under 25 words, just like the main description. While we have a default style for feature images at LightFunnels, you've got creative freedom to design them in a way that best represents your template strengths. The only requirement is that the visuals are clean, appealing, and have a resolution of 1200x 840px. Now that our features are set, let's move forward to creating the template thumbnails. The first thumbnail will preview your template on the platform here. The desktop thumbnail will appear on your template page here. The same for the mobile one. These thumbnails should adhere to the specified resolutions and follow the exact style we use for all templates to ensure consistency across the platform. To help you achieve this, we've prepared a Figma reference file for you. Click Open in Figma. Inside, you'll find these assets to help you create the thumbnails. Here's how we'll use them. First, let's go to our page to screenshot it. We need the width to be 1440 pixel, so I'm going to use this extension called Window Resizer to ensure the exact width. We only want to screenshot the top part of the page, so let's remove any unnecessary sections. A long page can affect the screenshot quality, so keeping it concise ensures the image is clear and focused. Select the section and click Delete. I'm going to use this extension called Go Full Page to take a screenshot of the full page. Let's click Download and go back to screenshot the mobile version. Let's also delete any unnecessary sections on the mobile version before taking the screenshot. For the mobile screenshot, make sure the width is set to 375 pixels. Choose a device that matches this exact width. Let's click Download. Let's head back to our Figma file. First, you'll notice the canvas is split into 2 parts, one for editing and exporting, and the other for previewing how it will look live on the platform. We'll start with the dashboard thumbnail first. Press Ctrl or Command to select the image, then click on Image to choose our desktop screenshot. If you notice your image is corrupted or stretched, select Fill or Fit to correct it. And then let's top align the image by selecting Crop, then hold Shift and start moving the image to fit the frame correctly. Let's do the same with the mobile one. You can preview how it will look live and check if everything looks good. Now, let's move on to the website screenshots. We'll start with the desktop version and follow the same steps. Make sure your image isn't stretched or squished. Next, we'll work on the mobile version. Again, if your image gets corrupted, simply switch between the options here until the image fits correctly. Once that's done, select Crop to align the image. Be sure to leave some empty space at the top. This gives room for the mock-up top bar. Now that we have our thumbnails ready, let's export them. Start with the dashboard thumbnail, select it, and then click Export. Next, let's export the desktop and mobile thumbnails. You can export them separately, or better yet, select both and export them together. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and upload our thumbnails to the template listing. Now that we've finished the listing, let's double-check everything to ensure it's correct before we hit Save. Once you're confident that everything looks good, click Save and move on to the billing option. Here, you can choose to publish your template for free or as a paid template. If you want to set it as a paid template, select Paid Access and set your price. With this option, users will be able to purchase your template through the LightFunnels platform, and you'll receive 80% of the revenue generated from your template sales. For this template, we're going to publish it with free access. Let's go ahead and hit Save. One thing, before you submit your template, ensure that your account details are accurate and presentable. Your account name will be displayed on your template page, and you'll have a profile with your details and a Contact Me button. Use a professional email address and make sure your profile is set up properly. Now that everything looks great, let's go ahead and publish it. Check these boxes and then click Publish. Now your template status will change to In Review. This means that LightFunnels team will be reviewing your template. Once approved, your template status will switch to Live, and you'll receive an email confirming that your template is now live and available in the marketplace. Excellent work! Now that your template is prepared and ready, you're well on your way to making it a success. In our final video, we'll wrap up the series with a comprehensive overview and share some final tips and next steps to keep your journey moving forward. Stay tuned for the conclusion.